recorded a beautiful song again for Bhumi 25 with the incredible Shreya Ghoshal. This song is, a duet with Shreya and Papan, and I am so happy that the way we had imagined the song to be, it's just turned out to be not just that, but even better. Whenever Shreya comes, she puts her 200% and so much love and soul. Her voice has that cinematic charm, and then and the gaiki and everything. Thank you, Shreya. This is, I don't have any words. I know I'm always like this kind of expression when you sing, but this song is really close to me, and you've done such magic.
It's a beautiful song.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Thank you, Shreya.
Thank you, and you're incredible composer. इसको तो बोलने की कोई जरूरत है नहीं. But the passion that you have for creating something different but not away from the soul is very, very difficult.
I remember when we were writing this song, when we were composing this song, I told Shraddha that we want these kind of lyrics that दोनों एक दूसरे से कहते कि पहले तुम क्यों ना मिले.
हाँ.
पहले क्यों ना मिले.
थोड़ा ओल्ड वर्ल्ड चार्म
मैं तुमसे इतना प्यार करता हूँ कि तुम मुझसे पहले क्यों ना मिली. So that feeling and the way she's written it also really beautifully. धुन पे लिखना इस तरह के thoughts was very.
श्रद्धा तो बहुत ही gifted है.
थैंक यू. बट अभी आई हैव टू से समथिंग, कहने के लिए नहीं कह रही हूँ, बट आई थिंक हम सारे अंदर पागल हो रहे थे when you were singing there. We didn't know how to express the love that we were feeling while you were on the mic.
And thank you, Raj, for always having so much beautiful, making singers do such a good job, making them feel so easy.
Absolutely.
No, of course, it's beautiful.
Raj makes it very easy for all of us to be able to do. क्योंकि हम ढूंढते रहते हैं कि क्या करें, क्योंकि गुंजाइश गाने में हमेशा होती है. और अभी भी जो the variations that you were telling me कि इस नोट से शुरू करते हैं कुछ, constantly like trying to do because वो अंदर की खुजली तो मुझे भी है, पर नहीं यार, I think we can't just repeat ourselves in everything. Every line has a meaning and do it differently musically and lyrically and expression wise. It's such a thin line to not cross it, not make it
if you
over intellectualize it and kill the soul. But this is Bhumi na, यहाँ पे तो है गुंजाइश. You always inspire, and you let me do a lot of things when in the end we all set it right before leaving.
Well, this is really a beautiful, beautiful song, and I can't wait for everyone to hear it.